What's up, Trinity Gang? We back again. I guess our video stopped. It's me, Trey, and Nate. Me, Trey, Nate, and Trey. Anyways, I'm back though. We back. Look, see, here's our crab. Since y'all don't get to see it on the laptop did some update crab like on its own. But yeah, we just showing y'all that we finished it. If it's not on there, I'm gonna edit all the videos anyway. But yeah, we're not gonna be on here long because I want to enjoy this crab. I mean, what if it did get like parts of it? It probably got parts of it, I don't know. But anyways, we doing a mukbang, so how about that? That thumbnail. But yeah, anyways, like and subscribe to our channel, you guys. We need more support, subscribers and shit. I mean stuff. Ooh. But yeah.
I wanna know,
hit us back. You feel me? And we talk back to everybody, so oh, this is good. I'm about to tear this up. Look at this. Yeah. You about to what? Clean it out, baby. You gotta take the veins out. Anyways, yeah, like and subscribe to our channel.
I'm not eating the head though.
And babe, how many times I gotta say like and subscribe? Like and subscribe.
Comment below, hit the bell.
Yeah.
Tell your friends about us. Go tell your friends about it.
We need family YouTube supporters, like YouTubers, like everybody's family from YouTube. So yeah, help us out. All right, bye guys.
Peace.